Alright, so this truck's being picked up today. Walmart truck LK2602. It's being picked up today. Make sure everything's good. I touched that head a little bit more wiggle. I was like, oh my god, it's loose. Headlights are good. Oh my god. Why does everything gotta be so difficult on Monday? Check the oil the only way I know how, which is to wipe it on my shirt. Get in there. Yeah, there we go. Ah. Oil's good. A little dirty, but there's plenty of oil in it. Coolant's good. Coolant's clean. Tires are good. No rust around the lug nuts. No, they're all tight. Dry through there. No drips on the cross member. Make sure everything's nice and secure. Beautiful. No cracks in the windshield. V's on the Cascadias like to come loose. Not the mirror themselves, but like this piece, they like to come loose. This is nice and tight. Bumper's nice and straight. Move along here, you have some drips. Because I just moved it. You have some drips right there from the AC. Everything else is nice and dry. Oh my god, people. Nice and presentable. Very demure, if you will. I don't see any leaking. I know the AC is nice and cold. Belt looks very new, actually. See how she closes. I didn't check the top of the engine. Yeah, very nice. So on this side. Oh yeah. Yeah, lots of times on these DD15 Detroits, you'll see a little bit of wetness around the little fuel rail. That'd probably be the injector. I'm not a mechanic, right? I just kind of know what to look for. And you see wetness right there. No wetness there. That's nice and secure. Let's go ahead and start it. I'll check blow by, turn on the lights, make sure the lights work. Let's close it. Let's see how the hood closes. Just like she should. Lights are working. All those are working. No cracks in the windshield. I am fixing to take it for a test drive. Extinguisher, nice and clean. Hours on the APU. Mirror's working. Good. Good. And he's getting free load locks. Look at that. I'm such a nice guy. Very nice. Lights working? Very nice. You got the reflectors. You got reflectors up top as well. All aluminum wheels. Like I said in the test drive, walk around video. This is just the exit video. Do I want to really mess with that right now? Probably not, because then you have to undo this, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. Owner's manual. Lights working. Triangles. Let's make sure. Yep. I think the only thing left is to test drive it. We can go ahead and get in here. Make sure no one broke anything. Ooh. There's the refrigerator. There's the covers for the things.
You ask a lot of your
AC's. What's going on, AC? There we go. Trailer brake. Oh. Wipers. Wash. Mirror. No, you don't. I got tape on that mirror window. Very nice. The only thing left to do, I think, take for a test drive. Like I said, customer's supposed to be picking it up today. Want to make sure everything's right for the guy. No codes, no lights. Only warning is for the low fuel. 552.19. 11,433 engine hours. And there's a password for the computer if he wants to up the speed, because it is governor at 65. Cruise and pedal. Ow. Alright, alright. Feels solid. These are really solid trucks. Let's check. Engine brake's good. Let's check cruise. Get up to 65 and then we'll set the cruise. Wrong button for set. There we go. That's fully on cruise. There's my hand. Very nice. No cracks in the windshield. Doesn't pull. Very nice. I like these trucks. No cracks in the windshield. I think, look at the mirrors. Very nice, very smooth. I think she's ready for sale. I think she's ready to go. No codes. Look, no hands, nothing on the steering wheel. Very nice. Very nice. I think she'll make this guy happy. Well, to be fair, he won't be the one driving it, but I think this will be a good fit for the driver. Nice, laid-back truck to just sit there and drive. Yeah, very nice. I'm going to go ahead and cut the video, and I will do a U-turn. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know.